The content-aware move tool can be used to select an image on your photo and then move this image to another section on the same photo. Once you select an area of an image that you want to move to another image, the content-aware move tool will analyze the outline of both the image you are moving and the area you want to move it to. It will then blend the pixels between the new content and the background content to create a smooth, seamless look. Hello everyone, in this lesson I am going to show you how to use the magnetic lasso tool, which you will find under the lasso tool. This tool also is used to make selections. It's a very easy way of making the selection. You just have to left click once and then you have to release the left mouse button and you have to move the cursor around the object. You can see that the tool is automatically making the selection. To close a path, you have to come back to the starting point and then left click once. Now you can do whatever you want with your selection. If you want, you can take move tool and move your selection wherever you want or place it on a new file.